Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use green screen on your Filmora videos. So if you have a photo or video that you capture with green screen in the background, it's going to make it easy to isolate or remove the background and replace it with something else. So let's get started. First, I do have this video, CG video, 3D video of Reno just standing there, and then I have the background of street where people just walking around, and I want to put this Reno to the street. Certainly it is out of place, but hey, that's the idea of green screen, to put something where it doesn't belong. Now let's click on the video, and after that you can resize the video or change the position as you like. I'm going to put this Reno right here, roughly in the middle, and after that go to video and then navigate to AI tools, and you want to enable chroma key. And there you go, it will automatically detect the green part of the video and it's going to remove that. But you can also play around with the offset, tolerance, edge thickness, edge feather, etc. Honestly, these are not something that I'm familiar with, but they are options that you can play around if you understand how to use them. But I think the default setting is good enough. Now I'm going to try again for a different photo. The previous green screen is very smooth, so basically it's all green. But how about a photo like this where the green part is different than the other part? So this green is darker than this green. Well, can it handle that? Fortunately, yes, Filmora can handle various green the strength of the green color. You can go to image, AI tools, and then chroma key again, and it will understand that and apply the setting instantly. Again, you can play around with the number, but I think using default setting is good enough. Now let's try something else. Let's try using the new AI tool in Filmora 14. So if you are using Filmora 14, you're going to get something called AI portrait cutout, and this is particularly useful if you have a video that you recorded but it is not green screen. The background is just regular background, but there is a person in the video that you want to change the background. So let's start with this video. Okay, now there is a person standing here, and as you can see, he is just standing, and the background unfortunately is not green screen, but fortunately we can use AI to remove the background. Click on the video, again go to video, go to AI tools, and then enable AI portrait cutout. So once you enable that, usually it's going to take quite some time for the AI to process everything. Again, it is running locally on your computer, so it really depends on the strength of your computer, but usually you're going to get something like this. So I'm going to play it back, and yeah, I think it's good enough. Definitely there is some flickering happening at the edge of the body, but given that it is free and also running locally on my computer, I think that's quite impressive. But anyway, that's basically how you can use green screen on Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.